What is up and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I have a fun little unboxing, but before I get into that, be sure you take the time right now and subscribe. Also be sure to hit the notification bell to get notified every time I post new videos every single week. And yeah, let's get into the unboxing. So a little bit of background, there's some intention behind this haul, a little bit of celebration because I recently promoted and it is my promotion work present. So what better way to celebrate than to treat myself from something at none other than Hermes. So this is an item that I have been really looking forward to and has kind of been what I've had on my wish list for a nice little promotion gift. It's also kind of like workwear-ish, if that makes sense. So like I'll definitely be wearing it to the office and just be a little reminder of how hard I've worked to get to this point. Anyways, before I actually do my big present to myself, I did actually also pick up a little twillie while I was there. I don't know if anyone else experiences this who shop at Hermes, but I feel like my store never has a good selection of twillies. So every time I go in, I'm just like, can I also see your twillies today too? Today they had some really cute styles. I just grabbed one. So I'm not trying to blow the budget here, but this one's so cute, so I'll do a quick little unboxing for it. I really wanted to find another cute twillie to put on either my little Picotin here or on my work bag. So here she is. This is so cute. I wanted something light and colorful, and this one's really pretty. It has this like almost like passport-y stamp style, which also ties into the fact that I did get my work bag while traveling abroad. So I think this actually be really cute to put on my work bag because yeah, it just kind of like goes together. What I also love about it is that one side is just completely pink, red and pink, which is what I was looking for since I think that looks cute with my work bag. My work bag's kind of like a lighter, almost white color, so I think this would look really cute with it. But yeah, so I just wanted to find like a cute little twillie. Last time I went in, they did not have any or like a good selection of them, so this time I learned from my mistakes, and I just gotta ask every time I go in. Okay, twillie aside, let's get into the big ticket item. Also, obviously, looking at the bag, no, this is not a Birkin, although would love that one day, you know, dreams come true. Let me show you what I got. And so you can see from the box, you know, it's not a pair of shoes, it's obviously not clothing, but something else. If you guys want to guess in the comments down below, what did I get myself for my work promotion? Take your guesses now. But yeah, this is so cute, this little box. All right, let's undo this perfectly tied bow. Ooh. And again, this is kind of like, in my mind, a workwear-esque item, so it makes perfect sense for promoting at work that I have something kind of a workwear adjacent. But obviously I could also wear this every day, which I pretty much plan to, or at least get a lot of use out of. So here is the reveal. It is this gorgeous watch. Let me give you guys a close up. It is literally so stunning. Like, I tried it on before I officially knew I was promoting, which was probably like bad luck potentially, but it all worked out. We're all good. And yeah, I just absolutely fell in love with this watch. So let me take it out. It has like a little way to slide this out. So fancy. Oh, okay, I got like booklets and stuff on the bottom. But yeah, this watch is absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous. It has like little like itty bitty diamonds on the face of it, if you can see that. And I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but the actual face on the inside is super like sparkly. It's like very subtle. I'll try and like shine a light on it so you can like maybe see what I'm saying. I'm trying my best here. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but it does have like in person this really pretty like shimmery face along with like little itty bitty diamonds on it, and the watch strap is so stunning. Like this color is so beautiful, like this light gray. I think it's just a great neutral and something that I will get a lot of use out of. I did also have this in just the plain black strap, and I think it's also really beautiful, but I feel like this gray, there's just something about it that's like, it's just so nice. Like, it just is so pretty, and I don't know, I just really loved this, and I felt like, again, getting a nice watch I think is a really good workwear, like work present to yourself. Again, like, I'm not just going to wear this to work, but I think I'm going to get a lot of use out of it for work. I do have a couple of like actual metal watches. So I have like an all gold one, and then I have a mixed metal, and I feel like this fits perfect into that family. Like, they're all different, but enough that, you know, I don't feel like I'm getting one used more of the other, but they're all like very neutral at the same time. I explain it, like, they're different enough to be different, but neutral enough in general for all of them to be like worn at all times. So again, I think this fits perfectly into that. And yeah, just such a pretty watch. I am so excited to wear this out and about and work. Let me show you guys it on. I don't know if you want to see some model shots with it on. This is their mini size, and they had their bigger sizes there, and I just felt like for what I wanted, which was more of like a daintier look, the mini was just like the best size for me. Alright, so I'll show you guys it on. I feel like I don't see online a lot of their mini size. Like, I see a lot of the small, and I was trying to research online before I went in kind of what the sizing looked like, and I thought I had wanted a small, but actually after seeing the small in person, I feel like the mini is just like looks better, and it was just more of what I wanted for like a very thin, dainty watch. So the strap is pretty simple. Like, it's just a regular watch strap. There's like a little Hermes on here. I don't know if you can see that. All right, so here is the watch on, and this is kind of how it sits on my wrist. I have a pretty small wrist, so I think that this size looks really good. Any size bigger I felt like was too big or just felt a little too chunky for what I was going for. Let me show you guys a comparison to some of my other watches just so you can see sizing differences. I feel like that's a helpful reference. All right, so I have, this is the gold watch I was talking about, this Coach watch. And this is also like a very sleek style. Here's kind of the comparison of the Hermes watch to the Coach one just for sizing. So you can see they're pretty similar, like the actual band's thickness is very similar size, and the face is pretty similar. It's just the Coach one has a little bit more of like a longer, like rectangular style. So that's this one, and then I thought I'm just gonna like stack up all these watches on one arm. I don't know if this one's gonna fit that far up. It's actually really funny. Here is my little vintage Gucci watch. So that's kind of how these all fall together. Like I was saying, they're same but different, you know? I could wear all three of these together and still probably not be on time to places. If you know me, you know. But here's kind of like a little size comparison for the mini watch. But yeah, so I feel like, let me take these off. I feel like it just falls perfectly into my collection. It's something that I obviously know I get a lot of use out of both of these other watches, so I know like the size and just the style is perfect for me. And that's a big reason also why I wanted to get this watch, because I knew it was something that I wanted to wear every day and just could fit into my style. And that's kind of one of my biggest tips when you are making like a bigger purchase, is that you want to find something that already kind of fits into your style and you don't feel like you have to force yourself to wear it. You're probably not going to use that item even if you spend a lot of money on it. Like, you're still probably not going to use it because it's just not what you're comfortable with. Otherwise, no, this is super beautiful. I also will say I do like that the diamonds are actually on the inside of the watch. They do have some styles with the diamonds around the outside on like the H, but honestly it makes me a little bit nervous that it's gonna get like scratched up or like fall out or something, because little diamonds like that are very delicate. So honestly, I kind of like them on the inside, but that's just kind of my preference. But anyways, yeah, really love this watch. And yeah, so that's this quick little unboxing. Yeah, I've kind of just got a very nice watch and a twillie, and that's That's what we got from Hermes today. Okay. But yeah, so if you enjoyed this style video, little luxury unboxing, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, give it a like, share it with your friends. Also, be sure to leave a comment down below. What do you think? Do you think this is a cute watch? Do you think it's a good workwear item? Let me know in the comments down below. And if you have not already, please don't forget to subscribe. I really, really appreciate it. And as always, thank you so much for watching. And I hope to see you all in the next one.